So today we're going to do a try not to cringe video. So basically we'll just be reacting to the video that we have here. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
This is funny. Doing some karate.
What is she doing?
She's just like, These moves are
so
good.
weird.
I like these moves. I'm gonna get your number later.
Just stand up and scream, retaining.
Is that his or her actual voice now?
Wow.
I just wanted to give you all channeling from the creators about all that's happening and what we can do about it. Okay, so here we go.
Is he going in a cult? I think so. That's my new thing.
Yes!
Up next, turn your attention directly to the head table. It is time for the best man to give his remarks.
I hate
Everybody,
these things.
welcome Scott.
Well, I'm Jason's brother. We're loud people here, so don't worry about that. Story.
So weird.
My
He's
dad
just
was
like,
just talking
oh
about
no,
how
why'd you give
Jason
him the
and
mic?
I've always-
You never know what could be lurking under the surface, especially here in the mysterious Amazon River. Murky as the mud and flat as a leaf. This toad, called the Peepa Peepa, lays perfectly still,
Oh, what the hell?
hoping to blend
It's like
in,
flat.
especially since this one has eggs
Oh,
to
they're
protect.
eggs.
And predators are everywhere,
It's so gross.
so it guards them the best way it knows how, keeping them right
Oh my
under its
God.
own skin.
Wow. Look at
A
gross.
spawning Peepa Peepa is a rare
Yuck.
find in the wild.
I had my fingers crossed all morning, and sure enough, the next day when I came in, the female had eggs all over her back.
The lucky ones, up to 100 of them, stay intact. And over the course of the next few days, the
pearls.
skin of the pregnant Peepa Peepa changes dramatically.
It turns into this sort of honeycomb structure.
Then,
Oh
as
my
it's
God,
something out of an alien
Follow them.
movie, the skin just closes over them. Sinking to the bottom once more, the mother toad must stay out of sight and
That's so
away from
gross.
predators for the next
4
4
months.
months,
Jesus.
giving the
that's
spawn a
amazing.
chance to grow. Once
It's
they're
just
ready
like
for the real
tadpoles in a-
world,
in a
they'll let her
bath.
know.
And suddenly a bunch of hands rush up bursting to get out. And the frogs will actually reach up through these holes and push themselves out.
What's so remarkable about the Peepa Peepa and its
dying.
birthing process
Oh, they're like,
is
so
that it's not
gross.
Like the hands up.
tadpoles,
Whoa.
but fully formed
Oh my
toadlets that
God.
emerge. Now, just like their mother,
my back.
they must use
Tadpoles.
camouflage
Come out
as well
full
as
Yes, and
instinct
tadpoles
to
in their back.
survive in these dangerous waters. And over the
That's
course
so
of the
gross.
next month,
Oh,
That
how
wasn't
gross.
that bad.
That is disgusting. Ugh. That's so gross.
That wasn't that. I didn't think that was that bad. Just animals being animals.
That's so. But her back.
Yeah, I know. It's just her skin open.
Imagine if like things were like wiggling around your back.
But if it would be normal.
Yeah, that's so gross. That was hard to watch.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
You want to hit? They are family to me. They are comfort
So
to me.
weird.
I might catch her
Whoa,
talking
she married.
to the boys. That's what she calls them,
Oh
the boys.
my God.
Tim is a little jealous of Legolas.
Oh, she just licked his
I'm gonna
dick.
do this more than once, which is wrong.
What?
It's just
Why is
wrong.
that still here? You should freaking hightail it out of
Gotten
there.
into any Duck Duck Goose games with her yet.
Duck.
That's the game for her and her boys.
When she is not watching Lord of the Rings, Melissa spends hours a day
Oh, let's
playing
do Goose
games
on one
with
of them.
Cut Out Family.
Duck, 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 duck.
She ran away from nothing.
She won though.
She's gonna catch him.
Yeah, she won.
Guys always give good
Oh my
advice.
God.
I will never give up Lord of the Rings, ever. It's like an arm. you can't cut it off without suffering.
En die tijd die gaat nu in.
No
Oh, you're
one.
gonna get 0.
Mag je nu drukken? Rustig.
Oh!
Oh, wat hard jongens. Wat nou?
Oh, her nose.
And she can't.
Oh, it's in her mouth. Oh, yuck.
Vladimir?
Oh, it's going up there. Oh, it's
Holy shit.
I bet he falls. Or he gets tired and gives up.
That is so funny. Yeah, he gets tired and gives up.
He's so close. Oh, he fell. In front of everyone.
Oh my god. She sounds like a cat.
Believes she belongs to a different breed. She claims that she is a cat trapped in a human's body.
Ja, har løpt veldig ofte etter dyr som viser seg i skygger og sånt.
Oh
The 20-year-old who goes by Nano shared her unique story in an interview
Oh,
published
what is she doing?
Myself to the girls, I was a nervous wreck. I opened up
I've never
this
been
giant
kissed.
harem curtain.
Me neither.
Whoa!
Just kidding.
And I see the best looking of God's children sitting in front of me, and I was absolutely agog. My name is Richard Rubin, and I am from New Jersey.
This guy not being
I
kissed.
can teach you a lot about a lot of things.
He's so cool.
Waiting for...
Oh, good job.
Okay, you can get...
Mindy says to me...
I might try and spoon you later.
So I was like, what, are you gonna feed me? We're gonna have some soup later, you know.
I'm really gonna have to go to great lengths to get him to come out of his nerd shell.
That is crazy.
Well, that was us doing some cringe videos.
Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. That was really cringy.
I don't know what. There was a few bad ones in there.
So I hope you liked the video. Remember to like and subscribe. I think that's it.
Everything's down there. Leave a comment.
Tell us which one you think was the worst as well, actually.
And if you like have a a good compilation or something,
that you want us to
put in the
react to.
comments or something.
Thanks for watching.